Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to revise from chapter pair of linear equations in two variables in the substitution method problems. Okay, so I am going to explain this method by taking two pair of linear equations. I am taking here given linear equations. Otherwise, let us take two linear equations in two variables. The first one equation is 2x minus 5 is equals to 0, and the second linear equation is 3x plus 2y is minus 11 is equals to 0. Okay, so what I taken two linear equations now. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 11 is equals to 0. Already we know that a linear equation with the two variables in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Clearly a comma b comma c belongs to real numbers. Okay, and a not equals to 0. So this is the condition for the form of a linear equation. Now I am finding the solution for two linear equations. In two linear equations की solution find out చేస్తున్నా by using substitution method. Okay. Now write the first equation. 2x minus y is equals to 5. 2x minus y is equals to 5. So what I did, transposing minus 5 from LHS to RHS. Okay. And here also 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. Here also I transposed minus 11 from LHS part to RHS part. So you consider it as equation 1 and equation 2. Now we can write equation 1. We can write equation 1 like this. If you transpose minus y to RHS, 5 to LHS, minus 5 ni from LHS నుంచి RHS కి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తున్నా, and as well as plus 5 ni from RHS నుంచి LHS side transfer చేస్తున్నా. Then what happened? We get minus 5 transposing means we get that is equals to plus y. ఇక్కడ 5 ఇట్లా వచ్చేస్తే we get it as y is equals to 2x minus 5. So now you substitute this one. Substituting y value or y is equals to 2x minus 5. Equation 1 నుంచి రాసాం కాబట్టి you just substitute in equation 2. ఓకేనా? అదే equation 2 నుంచి రాస్తే you substitute in equation 2. ఓకేనా? So substituting y is equals to 2x minus 5 in equation 2. Okay, now what is the equation 2? That is 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. This is equation 2. So what I am doing here, I am going to substitute in the place of y what nana 2x minus 5. Okay, so 3x means I am writing 3x only plus 2 of y. Y means what, ra? Just now we taken y is equals to 2x minus 5. Y plus 2x minus 5 substitute change because of we are doing in substitution is equals to 11. 3x means 3x only ప్లస్ ఈ 2 తోటి కంప్లీట్ ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఈ బ్రాకెట్లో ఉన్న ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 2 into 2x that is 4x minus 2 5s are what 10 is equals to 11. Okay, now clearly here plus 3x, here plus 4x. 3x plus 4x what now? That is 7x minus 10 is equals to 11. Minus 10 is transposing to RHS side. Minus 10 ni LHS nunchi LHS part nunchi RHS side transfer chestam. Then what happened? Here 7x is equals to here 11. ఈ minus 10 transpose అయితే RHS side, it becomes plus 10. Okay, now 7x is equals to 11 plus 10, that is 21. 7x means we can understand it as 7 into x. The 7x ని ఎలా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి? The product of 7 and x. Okay na? So that's why transposing 7 from LHS to RHS. Here x is equals to 21. It is into quantity. 7x ante 7 into x. Into quantities becomes what? Division quantity. So 7 1s are 7 3s are 21. So x is equals to what we get now? Manaki x value em vachindi ikkada? We get x is equals to 3. Now substitute x is equals to 3. ఈ x value ni you just substitute in equation 1 or equation 2. Your wish. ఎందులో ఒక దాంట్లో substitute చేయండి. You will get the y value. Okay na? Now substituting x is equals to 3 in equation 1. నేను equation 1 లో substitute చేస్తున్నా. Your wish. మీరు equation 2 లో కూడా substitute చేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay, what is the equation 1? 2x minus y is equals to 5. Okay, 2 x ante the value of x is equals to what nana? That is 3 minus y is equals to 5. 2 3s are what? That is 6. ఇలా బ్రాకెట్ ఉంటే ఇంటూ కదా. 2 of 3 means 6 minus y is equals to 5. 6 transposing to plus 6 is transposing to RHS side. Here minus y is equals to 5 plus 6 RHS side transpose అయితే it becomes minus 6. Now minus y is equals to 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 means what? That is minus 1. Minus minus cancel అయిపోతే y is equals to both sides cancelling minus 1 minus we get y is equals to 1. So therefore what is the required solution nana? The required solution for the two equations, two linear equations, that is what? X is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. See now what is the equation 1? Equation 1, 2x minus y is equals to 5. This is equation 1. Equation 2 is 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. This is equation 2. Okay, now what we get? X value is 3 and y value is 1. ఈ x value ni y value ni ఈ LHS part లో substitute చేయండి. ఓకేనా? మీకు LHS is equals to RHS వస్తుంది. Okay, so 2 of x అంటే the value of x is equals to what nana? 3 minus y. Y means the value of y is equals to 1 is equals to 5. 2 3s are 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. 6 minus 1 అంటే 5 is equals to 5. అంటే మనకి క్లియర్గా LHS is equals to RHS. Yes, again the same values అంటే సేమ్ x value y value నే ఈక్వేషన్ 2 లో కూడా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. 3 of in the place of x you just substitute 3 plus 2 of in the place of y you just substitute what we get the value, that is what nana? 1. అంటే y value 1 కదా, you just substitute here is equals to 11. 3 3s are 3 of 3 3 3s are 9 plus 2 ones are 2 is equals to 11. ఇక్కడ 9 plus 2 అంటే 11 is equals to 11. Clearly we get LHS is equals to RHS. అంటే ఈ two linear equations కి linear equation 1 and linear equation 2 ఈ two linear equations కి x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. This is the required solution. Okay my dears. Okay students, now coming to the next method, that is elimination method. So what I taken in previous problem, I taken two linear equations, yes, with two variables. Again I am going to take the same equations. So this time I am going to use elimination method. What are the equations? Equations are given linear equations that are 2x minus y is equals to 5. This is equation 1. And 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. This is equation 2. Okay now, I consider the same linear equations. 2x minus y is equals to 5. 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. I am going to apply the elimination method for finding the solution for these equations. See now, first of all I am going to eliminate. మనం డిసైడ్ చేసుకోవాలి మీరు దేన్ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు from this equation, ఈ two equations నుంచి. You want to eliminate x or you want to eliminate y. దేన్ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు, you decide it. So నేనేమనుకుంటున్నా, here I want to eliminate x. ఓకేనా, eliminate x from the given equations. ఓకేనా, ఈ ఈక్వేషన్స్ నుంచి నేను xని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. బట్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ సేమ్. కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ ఇక్కడ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయా? నో. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x? x కోఎఫిషియంట్ వచ్చేసి 2. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x? Here in this second equation the coefficient of x is 3. First equation the coefficient of x is 2. Clearly coefficients are not same. That's why you take the LCM of the coefficients of x from equation 1 and 2. 2, 3 की LCM వచ్చేసి ఏమొస్తుందిరా? 2 3s are 6. Because of 2 is a prime number, 3 also prime. ఓకేనా. నా you just observe నా ఇక్కడ LCM వచ్చేసి 6. what is the coefficient of x in equation 1? that is 2. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఈ 2 ఈ 6లో LCM 6లో how many times, ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ మల్టిపుల్ అవుతుంది? 3 times. 2 3s are kada. So that's why you multiply the whole equation 1. Okay na, you multiply the whole equation 1 with 3. 3 of 2x minus y is equals to 5. Okay, next coming to the second equation. What is the coefficient of x here? The coefficient of x is 3. What is the LCM? The LCM is 6. Okay, so ikkada LCM 6. how many times in this 3? ఇక్కడ x కోఎఫిషియంట్ 3లో ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ పోతుంది? 3 2 జా. దట్స్ వై యూ మల్టిప్లై ఎంటైర్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ 2 విత్ ఎంటైర్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ 2ని 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. దట్ ఈస్ 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. Now see here, 3 2 jaa 6 minus 3 into y, that is 3y is equals to 3 5s are 15. Here also 2 3 jaa 6x, 2 into 2y, 2 2s are 4y is equals to 2 11s are 22. Now see, by changing the signs, ఇక్కడ సైన్స్ సేమ్ సైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, సైన్ చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాయి. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 6x ఉంటాయి, మైనస్ 6x, ప్లస్ 4y ఉంటాయి, మైనస్ 4y, ప్లస్ 22 means by changing the sign minus 22. Now clearly plus 6x minus 6x. ఇక్కడ x coefficient 6, x coefficient 6. So cancel. Okay. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది, హియర్ -3y, హియర్ మైనస్, ఇక్కడ +4y కాస్త బై చేంజింగ్ ద సైన్స్ -4y, -3y -4y -7y is equals to +5 +15 -22. That is what we get -7. Minus cancel అయిపోతుంది. Y is equals to 7/7. ఈ 7ని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తాయి. ఇంటూ క్వాంటిటీ becomes డివిజన్ క్వాంటిటీ. 7 cancel means y is equals to we get 1. ఈ y వాల్యూని ఈక్వేషన్ 1లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ 1. ఈక్వేషన్ 1లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే what we get, 2x minus in the place of y you write 1 is equals to 5. Then -5 ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తే 2x is equals to 5. ఈ -5 ఇటు వెళ్ళిపోతే +1 అవుతుంది. -1 కాస్త +1 అవుతుంది. 2x is equals to 5 + 1 6. 2ని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తే x is equals to 6/2. ఎందుకంటే 2 is the into quantity, it becomes division quantity. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So we get x is equals to what one? 3. So in previous method also we get the same values, x is equals 3 and y is equals to 1. Ante two linear equations, a pair of linear equations with two variables. Two linear equation తీసుకొని you just apply the any algebraic method, that is elimination or substitution or cross multiplication, so you will get the same answer. Thank you.